Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Let me turn this down. This is medium wave. I'm still learning how to use this radio. And the reason I'm struggling is each of the switches, like the top switch and the side switches, have multi-functions. And they differ depending on what the switch is, the other switch is in. So I'm struggling a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and try to show you this radio. Let me move this out of the way. So there will be some pauses as I try to look things up that I've forgotten already. Okay, what I did is inserted the antenna for medium wave, and I got it in the orientation that's the best orientation, which is this direction because the stations are that direction, which means I can point the radio to the camera, which other radios that have built-in medium wave antennas, I have to point the radio away from the camera. I looked up on Radio Locator how many stations are available within 20 miles of me, and it found 13. Well, this radio found, I believe it was 18 signals. And I think there's only 2 that are just noise. So let's go. Let's go through it. Here we go. So again, I've turned the backlight off because I noticed in my previous video when the backlight is on, it's so bright that it overwhelms the camera. Now in real life, it looks great, but with the camera, no. And unfortunately, I can't turn it off completely. At least I had not found a way to keep it off. So when I use one of the switches, it's going to come on briefly. So let me turn the volume back up, which is pushing this switch back.
Sleep, very importantly, if you can start to sleep again, because I know
you could push the switch in 5 different directions. You could push it back, forward, left, right, and down. Ooh. Okay, so that's coming in nice and clear. That's 570. Let me got my list right here. 570 is only 4.3 miles. So that's not bad. And actually,
this is one from Henry from Ohio.
Oh, see there?
Many years. I'm 77 years old. I've been using Celebrex.
So it likes that direction too. So let's go to the next one. Sideways.
Very pleased with the results. I am now pain-free.
Channel 1, that's channel 1 we're on. There's channel 2. That was a little weak. There we go. Look at that. Son of a gun. Now, I got these stations by using the ATS function, automatic tuning and storing, which works on each of the bands. Now, there's nothing. Yeah, so that doesn't count. Okay, we'll go to the next one. That's nothing. So there's 2 strikes. There's something. There it is. Full scale. There's the scale right there on the top. Okay. There's 4. That's there, but it's pretty weak. Let me look at my list. 760. 760 is not even on the list. So that most likely is beyond 20 miles, maybe 30 or 40 miles. Okay, let's go on. There's 5. Okay, there is nothing there. Let me see if 770 is on the list. 770. Nope, there's no 770.
And that's the part
There's 820.
That I think Some NBA, like for LeBron
Full scale.
winning his first championship must have meant
That
something.
is
But damn, winning that championship in Cleveland,
4.6
that
miles.
was different. That's worth the more.
860.
Former Secretary of State in the first Trump
That
administration.
is 4.6 miles. 870. There is no 870. So it did. Oh, there's something there. Yeah, I hear it now. Yeah, right there. So it's picking up something that's far away because it's not on my list. 880. Oh, I just noticed something. Somehow I got out of the memory mode. So now I'm in just tuning mode. So that's why it's showing all these frequencies. There we go. Now back into it. 860. 910. Does 910 show up? Nope. No. So it's picking up noise. Let me see if I can hear anything. No. Nothing there. There's a strong one. 970. Yeah. 970 is close by. It is 10 miles.
Show on News Radio WFLA with our free iHeartRadio app.
980. I'm pushing the wrong button, I think. Yeah, see, I'm getting in that mode. That's volume. So somehow I'm getting out. There we go. If you push this button down, it goes to memory mode. So when I'm trying to go through the channels, I'm accidentally pushing it down, going into tuning mode. Okay, there's 10. Right about there. 1010. 1010 is not on the list. So it's probably more than 20 miles. I should have made a list of 40 miles. 1110. Nope. So it's picked up all these stations that are beyond 20 miles. 1150. Yes, there is 1150 and it's 16 miles. Okay, there's another one. 1250, that's nice, loud and clear. 1250 is 10 miles.
Bit of a different professional experience. You began ballet at age 4 and
14. No. Nope, now it's back in that mode again.
Even you could share
Okay, that's 1340. 1340 is 2 miles. That's loud and clear. 16, 1380, that is 12 miles. 1470, that is 16 miles. Now, how can I turn the volume up? Oh, this one. Yeah, it's pretty weak. Okay, let's go back to.
Okay.
And then
Okay,
over time,
that
you're gonna
was-
rebuild and repair your joints with that inflammation being taken down. That's going to restore.
So it found 18 signals. I believe I lost count. I believe there were 4 or 5 that I didn't hear anything. Plus, there were 3 or 4 that were not on my list of up to 20 miles, so they must have been more than 20 miles away. So on medium wave, it's done a great job. I don't want to show you FM because it's too much music, but I did a scan on FM and it found like 43 stations, real stations, 43 stations. Oh my gosh. And that was using the little built-in telescopic antenna. I haven't done, yes, I did. I did one shortwave band scan, and I got like 3 or 4 stations clear using this tiny little antenna. But that's it. And the A index was like through the roof. It was like 30 something. So that didn't surprise me. So I have to do a scan of the shortwave band at the right time of day when the A index is back down. So that's it. I'm really enjoying this little radio. I'm thankful that RADDY sent it to me for review. All my opinions and everything are mine. They don't review my videos before I put them out, so it's all from me. I think that's about it. I want to thank you for watching. I've really been overwhelmed by the number of subscribers I've recently gotten in the past 2 months. I really want to thank you. If you enjoyed my videos, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that I'm producing videos you like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And when you're subscribed, you can click on a bell that will send you an email when I've posted a new video. And I've got 2 or 3 more brand new radios that I just got that I've got to review, and I'm going to do that in the near future. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.